Hey guys, we're given this proportion here of 2 divided by 16 is equal to n divided by 36. And we're asked to solve for n. And in order to solve for n, what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply. And what cross multiplication is you take the numerator from one side of the equation and you multiply it by the denominator on the other side of the equation. And so here we're going to take the numerator of 2 and we're going to multiply it by the denominator of 36 on this side of the equation. And now we'll take the numerator n, and we're going to multiply it by the denominator of 16 on this side of the equation. And so this is what we get.